So, NVDA, $106.51 at the time I'm recording this video after the market close. Guys, we're gonna do technical analysis to see where NVIDIA is heading so you can see is it a clear buy or you gotta hold or you gotta sell, see what we're gonna do. Plus, also got a massive news from NVIDIA which can really convince you to buy this stock. First, let's do technical analysis, guys. But before that, in the group, the link is down in the description. You come and join and trade with us. Day trade, swing trade, long term. We let you know all the stocks, swing trades, especially. Of course, today we took a short position on some stock. Not gonna name it, but if you want, you can come to the group and join your portfolio, guys. So make this opportunity for your portfolios. So the link is down in the description. But if you want to see how it looks like, this is how the group looks like, guys. NVIDIA. So, like example, LUC5 buy 635, sell at 780. This is just an example. I'm showing you Tesla 50,000, the market conditions. So, single trade 168,000, $47,000, $10,000. Yeah, so on and so forth. I just don't want to go in more details. So let's get into technical analysis. So here, what I'm seeing here after earnings, we got the nasty drop, right? Here we are earnings, and we got the massive nasty drop. But again, look very closely that this is not even tomorrow as a Friday. This stock can have a massive flush down, probably back to $97. $97 can be really a nice punch downward side. So what I'm talking about. But if it goes here, honestly, that would be, again, I would add more and more positions on this level. But again, also another level, what I'm looking on NVIDIA is very clear, is $90. But can this be really possible, $90? Do you really think so? But I think so. $90 can be possible, but not in one single day. Can happen, but again, possibly on the day when the Fed will announce the rate cut and all, that the day is very, very close. Probably on that day, yes, it might touch $90. Guys, if it's touching honestly $90, some investors really they're telling that it might touch even to $70, even to $85, $70. Can that be really possible? We're not going to go too far, honestly, but we're going to grab more opportunities as we are getting down and on because we never know where is the bottom, right? This is the trickiest part in stock market because you can never ever guess where is the final bottom of any stock or nasdaq or the entire market. Where is the bottom? You could never know, but all what you can know is the trends, market volume, and the market sentiment, where the market is heading. That can you can identify very, very clear that where the market is absolutely heading. That's the reason I'm telling you, come and join the group. I'm having a decade of experience in stock market. Millions, even you can come, you can print those millions with me. You don't have to know anything. Cost less than dollar a day in the group. Of course, whatever you join the group, it goes exactly to the donations, guys. Nothing I get, it goes donation. Donating money, plus also in the group, you are making money. So come and enjoy that group, guys. So now, tomorrow can be a tricky day. This can really pump even towards $116, which is not possible. Honestly, I don't see anywhere the stock is going to $116 very, very soon. But what I'm seeing here, it's heading towards 90 around area, like $97 or 95 or even $90. But again, this will not even happen in one single shot. This needs to happen probably 2 or 3 takes. That then this can be really down. Like look at this today. The investors here, they shorted the stock, and plus, of course, 300 million, right? Almost 325 million of the volume right here. They bought and also they bought back, and also some investors on long term, they bought the stock for their long term. This was the buying point for them. But now look at the weird volume here. Almost the same candle, but look at the nasty volume here. The volume was absolutely less than 50 million shares sold today. Guys, look at this massive volume right here. Almost 450 million shares sold. But look at the massive candle right here. So in this stock, there are so many shares sold and bought behind the shares is manipulated heavily, especially in this massive nasty market. Guys, we're not going to go in so many details, but all I'm going to show you is if you go to weekly chart here, you will see one thing very clear, that this has an absolute downtrend. Like a selling pressure is absolute nasty on this stock right now. This can really and honestly end up to even $99 tomorrow. Can be really possible then. Honestly, $99 to $97 can be honestly very, very easily possible if the stock really has to go. But again, not going to go too far. Hold on. Let me just draw those levels. But I think so. Even this pullback was really important because even if we make a double bottom right here to $90, that would be honestly fair enough for the stock because the stock was, do you think, overvalued? Of course, I think so. It was overvalued. It was pricey. That's the reason they came for the split. Plus, the market value is just ramping up. That's crazy, honestly. $90, if it comes down here, that would make a double bottom. And I would be so comfortable to add many shares as possible at this area, $90. Guys, let's see what is the good news. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang says demand for Blackwell is incredible. Wow. This is something amazing. Of course, the demand is incredible, but why the investors really overreacted at the time of earnings? Blackwell, honestly, it was about to come out and they honestly overreacted and things went honestly on the south side rather than going on the north side. But again, I will not blame everything for this kind of news. All I will blame is the investors who overreacted. Plus, on the other hand, of course, I will blame also the market. It's not about NVIDIA. All about, got it, guys? Market is the main culprit right here because so many sentiments are just running in the market and it's just pulling all the beautiful stocks down and it's making the massive correction. I think so there is more 6 to 8% correction remaining in the stock market and that would really give a nice pullback on all beautiful stocks, especially Nvidia. Yes, it might end up honestly if that 8% happens on nasdaq. Guys, Nvidia is going to end up to $85 to $70 pretty easily if that 7% to 8% correction happens in Nasdaq. So, on a weekly chart, it looks exactly and absolutely bearish. No bullish sign I see on a weekly chart. If I go on a daily chart, kind of a little bit tricky right here, but again, we again see that weak candles right here. The trend is absolutely on a downtrend. I see no way uptrend. No way. All I'm seeing here is $90 about to make a double bottom. This is very highly possible because let's say Fed comes out honestly and cuts down the 50 basis point. Boy, oh boy, this market's going to fall very hard because that's going to be really dangerous and it's going to really fall very hard. European markets, Asian markets, everything is just flushing down just with sentiment of because the US market is falling down. Now they are following the same pattern and they are just selling off. So it's like a domino effect, guys. So all in one, my shot is to buy many shares as possible when Nvidia will drop more and more. But right now I'm not going to buy at this price. No, this is not my buying price. So if you want to know exactly, come to the group and enjoy trading. We have day trade, swing trade, even long terms, all small. We also starting a challenge for $1,000 to $100,000. You can come, you can participate, and you can grow with only $1,000 to $100,000. If you don't believe, come to the group and see trade we grow, and you can join there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys. And a big shout out to the member one. The members. There's a new member actually. So let's call them a shout out. So who's the member? Let's see. So Charlie. Sorry, not Carolina. Carolina is the member. It's a big shout out to him, her, whoever it is, and we love you and recommend you can tell me whatever video you want and we'll make it for you. What kind of analysis you want, we'll do it for you guys. So if you guys want a special video or anything for your any stock analysis, become the member. You will have the special privilege for you only, and you'll enjoy more and more benefits, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Probably see you in the next videos, guys.